If your SIM tray is stuck and you want to safely remove a SIM card or a SIM tray from Android phone, so first of all, let's turn it off, because this kind of operation requires our phone to be turned off. It will be safer. Now let's grab our SIM ejecting tool, or if you don't have it, it may be straight in paperclip, basically anything that is thin enough. Now let's locate our SIM tray, and perfectly we should just enter our SIM tool, right? Push it a little bit and it should go out. However, if it doesn't go out, you have to find a way to do that. So for example, try pushing it with against the hardest surface, like table, right, like this. So make sure that it's stable, focused. Try to do it with the different directions, or if nothing else happens, simply bring it to the service center, right? So when it's a little bit out, simply take it out, take out your SIM card and gently put it back. Make sure to do everything gently. Phones don't like your violent power. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.